Most people will search for an email like this. Typing in a keyword in the search box and hoping that they'll see the email in the search results. In this example there are 1025 results. This is how you should be searching for emails. Add some refined criteria, from, subject, has attachments or whatever. Only 2 results this time. You can also adjust the scope of the search. And there's even more refined options available. I only had to use 3. Even better, if I have to run the search again in a few days, Outlook remembers up to 10 recent searches. There, never struggle to find an email ever again when you use search like this.